So turning now to the state's pandemic fight, Maryland just hit another milestone. More than 850,000 total cases since the pandemic began.
And the surge is putting stress on hospitals, which are facing staffing shortages.
WJZ investigator Mike Glen is at a COVID testing site in Glen, Burnie, with just how bad things have become. Mike?
Denise, Vic, almost 3,500 patients are in Maryland hospitals tonight. That is more than double the number at this time last year. 13 hospitals are practicing crisis standards of care. The good news, doctors say we may be nearing the peak of Omicron in the United States. Omicron has swept through Arundel County, and people lined up to get tested in Glen Burnie. Hospitals here are at more than 90% capacity right now, with most of those patients unvaccinated.
Our baseline threshold is 70%, so they're under a large amount of stress.
After the county council rejected a mask mandate, the health officer ordered one. And while the county executive admits the mandate is tough to enforce, he believes it was the right call.
We've not been closing businesses down for this. So I think the businesses understand that we're all in this together and we're trying to get as many people wearing masks as possible. But there will be some who don't comply. And, and the chances are they'll get away with it.
Across the state, COVID cases are skyrocketing. The number of hospitalizations has nearly doubled in Maryland in the last 2 weeks. Many nurses are at their breaking point.
We have a nursing workforce that is physically, mentally, and morally exhausted. They feel a sense of betrayal in their relationship with the public in terms of the public not being willing to do the vaccines that we know save lives and something as simple as masking.
In Baltimore County, all public schools are closed for the second straight day. And in Baltimore City, 60 schools remain virtual only.
This is my daughter's school materials, her laptop.
Amani Kelly says her daughter is among those isolating.
It is really scary. And it's hard to get the test, Nowadays, everything's booked up. If you think your kids are sick or anything, just stay home.
Now, some schools in both Baltimore City and County will remain virtual tomorrow. Also tomorrow, the Maryland National Guard will begin operating a number of new and expanded testing sites across the state from Bel Air to Annapolis. Reporting live in Glen Burnie, Mike Glen, WJZ.